Okay, all of you guys have had this happen. You get home from a hard day of riding, or you get into your hotel and your helmet's full of bugs and your GoPro is full of bugs. And it's a pain in the butt to get them off, but I've figured out a solution. And what you do is you run some hot water, you soak a rag, and you put it on there. And you just let it soak for a little while. Okay? I'm going to hit pause and I'll come back in a little while and resume this video. Okay. Now I put the bigger towel on the helmet and I put the smaller one on the GoPro, and I'm just soaking the frame in hot water. So anyway, after soaking it for, I don't know, 5 minutes, it's much easier to get the bugs off. Okay, so it's hard to do with one hand, but you just work off the bugs. And I'm sorry about the hotel towel. Same thing with the GoPro. You open it up, you just work the bugs off of it after soaking them for a few minutes. And there you go. You don't even need any soap, so you just wipe them off. Same thing with the frame. It's practically clean, the frame is. Anyway, I need 2 hands to finish it up. You get the point. Grab a towel, wet it down, lay it over your helmet, wipe it off. You're good to go. No scraping, no BS, no chemicals. It's all good to go. Green, clean. Clean your helmet the green way. And you maybe waste about a gallon of water. Okay, and you don't have to waste that much, but what I should have done was put that in a cup. But then you're wasting styrofoam. What you do is you take your frame and you put it in the toilet. And you just leave it in the toilet. And also, something else to save and be green. If it's yellow, let it mellow. If it's brown, flush it down. That's how you conserve water in today's age of the green movement. The green movement states, if it's yellow, let it mellow. If it's brown, flush it down. That is the new politically correct way to conserve water. Okay, life is good.